Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the curtain.
Everything you need is in your MAKARTT kit, but you're going to need some rubbing alcohol. Now the first thing I do is I go ahead and push my cuticles back. With the nail file that came inside the kit, I'm going to use the 240 side to buff my nail bed for a longer hold with the nails. After you're finished, you're just going to apply a thin layer of your base coat. Now that that's cured, you're going to get your nail forms, and then you're going to want to find your size of each nail. Now I go a little bit bigger than my actual nail. Now this is all you're going to need for the next steps. Now the kit did come with a brush and spatula, but I lost that when I started using this kit. So I'm actually just using like a cuticle push backer thingy. And a regular acrylic brush. So you're going to want to put the poly onto the form, take your alcohol, and you're just going to start playing and pushing. You do not want it to be too thin, and you do not want it to be thick. Once you're finished, you're just going to apply it to the nail. You're going to push it down a little bit. Now sometimes some poly will come out, and what I do is I just take the acrylic brush and I just, clean it away as if it was acrylic. Now once you're finished, you just literally take it off. It's kind of hard your first time, but you'll get it. And that's it. You can file it, cut it, however you like. looking like when it's really done. But I'm not going to do this. I'm going to take my MAKARTT nail polish and I'm going to apply to each one of my nails. It's gel, so you're going to do the base, a thin layer, cure, and then you're going to do 2 coats of gel. And then top it off with your top coat and then you're done. Alright guys, this is the finished product. No, it's not perfect, but it works, okay? It's simple if you need to just go to like a little party or something. Easy for you to do. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some ideas for me to do. Next video is going to be full on acrylic, so stay tuned. If you aren't, make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you with the next video. I'm out.
Hey, I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. Number one, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.